Hello, my name is Teresa, and I am going to show you how to register for a parent account on the Pikes Peak Business and Education Marketplace. Ready? Let's get started. First, you should know it is best to use Chrome, Firefox, or Safari browser to complete this task. We're going to start at the Google search page, and in our search bar, we're going to type in www.ppbea.org. That will take us to the home page for the Pikes Peak Business and Education Alliance. To get into the marketplace, we're going to create an account. We're going to register. We're going to click on Register in the top right corner of the screen. This is where we will enter the information to complete our registration. We're going to enter the email. I have a sample email that I am using for this occasion. My first name is Teresa. My last name is going to be Parent Test. Create a password that you can easily remember and don't share it with anyone else. The account type will be Parent. We are going to agree to the terms and conditions of the website. If you'd like to read through the terms and conditions before you agree, feel free to click on that link and read through them thoroughly. Once you've completed all of this, you're going to click the Register button to get a notification that says a new user has been added. We can close this window. Next, we're going to navigate to your email inbox, the same email that you used to create the account. You should receive a do not reply email from no.reply@ppbea.org. You can go ahead and say that this email looks safe. It's from a trusted sender. This is your registration email to activate your account. It's going to say hello and then your name, Teresa, Parent Test. Welcome to the PPBEA Work-based Learning Marketplace. Please activate your account here, or you can always click the link at the bottom or copy and paste the email address at the bottom into your internet browser address line to navigate to the correct space. This will open a new window that is going to let you know that your account has been activated successfully. At this point, you can click the green sign in button to get into your account. Use the same email address that you used to create the account and the same password. Click log in and that will open to your dashboard. Once in, take a minute to look around. Click on the different items, see what the marketplace has to offer. This is the end of this tutorial. The next one in this series will be instructions on how to complete your basic profile. Feel free to watch that video and complete your basic profile. There are also other video tutorials that will walk you through different items of the marketplace. They will help your student create their basic and expanded profiles. It will show them how to search for opportunities, how to apply to opportunities, and how to connect with them. Thank you for joining me today.